Alright guys, so Audi A2 we changed the brakes, just disc, because actually brakes was brand new, but problem one, it is time kill the disc, it's so rusty, so we need to replace, we have to replace. Last shot I'm buy wrong fuel. You think guys maybe petrol wrong? Yeah, it's E10 and one E5. For old car it is E5. Why? Because less eco. It is E10. I'm here, it's kill the engine. Of course, if you want I'm use, this is no big deal. So change brakes and maybe we drive around and excite. So we'll enjoy. Like you see guys, it's quite rusty. Maybe if I drive be better and better, but who's know. I have new disc, so we replace 1, 2 imbus, 2 Allen key for 7 calipers of new. Come on. Alright guys, like you see, and here it is clip the calipers and pads, so upstairs. We clean everything. Like you see, TRW brakes. Check size, clean here. Put on good, it's that bolt it's in, so let's go. Small bolt couple. In the future we don't have problem to turn it off. Okay guys, like you see, that one must come in. Okay, like you see guys, everything done. So this brakes, it is like it's exactly the same Polo Fabia. What we need to know, it's that pen would come and brakes slide on. Sometimes it is rusty fresh and this pen no keep, then we need to take all that guy replace. Somebody put a spring, but this is brakes I don't like, so that side it's done. We go to next one. like you see, that one as well rusty, we need to replace. 2 Allen key 7 pen go out this way, down, pull out, up, replace, clean, exactly the same what another one. Right guys, after change the brakes a couple of times, push pedal down. When it's hard, this means it's everything alright. So we go around, we see how baby work. Okay guys, so baby back, so we go around, we see how going on, can everything alright. Woohoo! Oh, absolutely great work. Woohoo! I know that's no Ferrari, but give me so fun. At this moment everything went good. So we see how going on. Absolutely perfect. Wheel alignment will be great too, because we allowed thing change in the expansion, so it styles new, make sure it's no gone very quick. But yeah, work. I'm happy. You guys happy? Probably allowed to do this old car, but give me some fun. Alright guys, that baby back to road. I am absolutely happy because so help and learn my daughter drive. So I help my friends in Snow Heaven some renovations, so I'm gone couple of weekends, but see ya later. Passion, love, family, back family, see ya.